Hi everyone, I'm Chloe Hanford, and today we'll be looking at how we can create and send email templates using the platforms MailChimp and MailKing, and how we can optimize these features to support our service initiatives. This is part one of a two-part series in which I'll be taking a look at two platforms, MailChimp and MailKing. I'll be starting off with how you can send and create email templates using MailChimp. I'll link the other video where you can learn about how to use MailKing and actually integrate MailChimp and MailKing together. So check that out if you're interested. For those of you who don't already know, this video is part of a tutorial series which accompanies my Digital Marketing for Good workshop. I created this workshop to teach high schoolers how to optimize digital platforms to expand the outreach of their service-oriented clubs and initiatives as part of my Girl Scout Gold Award. I've created an awesome website where you can find the lesson plan and more resources just like this video so that you could teach the workshop yourself or just learn. So if you're interested, links in the description, go check it out. I think it's pretty cool. As a disclaimer, according to Girl Scout rules, I cannot provide any advice on raising funds for any external organization, so nothing in this video should be seen as advice of any sort. Alright, with that, onto the video. So we'll be looking at MailChimp, and it has a little logo like this. You create an account online, and you're all set. Let's talk about why you would need to send emails using an email template. Well, when you're sending out a professional email on behalf of your organization, you'll want to make sure that it looks professional, that it's eye-catching, and that people want to keep clicking on it. You'll also want to be able to choose how you format photos, images, even buttons where people could click on links to learn more so that your emails don't get too wordy. For something like this, an email template builder can be a great thing to have. And we're going to take a look at two. You can either use them separately or you can combine them however you choose. I'm using the free plan for both programs, but there are pro plans that have more features such as the ability to send more emails to more contacts, amongst other things, and also to see more analytics. So with MailChimp, let's just start off. How can we create an email template? So I'm going to go here. I'm on my homepage to create, and then I'll see email. So there's a lot of different options here, and it can be a little bit confusing, but I'm just going to create my own template to start off with. MailChimp is kind of cool because it allows you to either code your own template or use a pre-existing template. When you're using the free version, you get access to a limited number of pre-existing templates, and I'm selecting the new builder. So as you can see, it shows me my already saved templates, but I'm going to choose to create a new one. I'm going to choose natural this time. And I'm just going to put template 22 because my last one was 11. Okay. So now it's already populated this great template for us to use and edit. So as you can see, they've put this logo in here. And one really cool thing about MailChimp is that it's really easy to integrate your branding kits. So for example, you can set your logo to whatever you want. So maybe let's say that my logo is the thumbnail for one of my previous videos. So I can just add that in. It will set that as my logo. And then wherever my logo appears, it automatically replaces it. So that's really nice. Now obviously, I would choose an actual logo. Then there's already like a space where they've suggested that I add an image. So maybe I want to add my own image, or I can browse. They have a ton of GIFs available, so maybe actually I'm interested in that. You'll go to Jiffy, and I'm looking to support Argentina in the World Cup, so I'm going to insert this GIF. I can also even have people click on the image and be linked to a particular website, which is kind of cool. Then I can edit the text super easily and intuitively. Welcome to our organization's monthly report, and then I would type, maybe because this is my template, insert writing about this month. ... So I can use that for future times. Another cool thing that you can do is add buttons. So for example, my computer's lagging a little bit. Oh, here we go. Vamos. Okay. So now we have the button. So click here for our website. Then I can link it to my website, which is google.com. All right. So that's a lot of cool features. I can also add buttons which link to my socials, and the bottom part here already auto-populates with the current year or my company name. So another thing that you can do is you can add a survey in, and Canva actually has, if you click on this, a survey creator where you can create like a checkbox survey, multiple choice survey, input your email, that kind of thing. There are also more elements that you can add to enhance your template, like more buttons, text, dividers, and even app integration. You can also change the style of how you'd like it to be. So for example, you can choose a different background color. Oh wow, that looks really bad. But I could do it, or I could even add an image. And just the general style of my email can be changed all here. So all in all, I think I'm done. I'm gonna preview this and see how it looks. This is how it looks in desktop. Wow, this is amazing. Mobile, and the inbox function is only for pro subscribers, which I am not. So I think I'm ready to save this template and exit. And now it's listed in my templates. So I have template 11 and template 22. Okay, now let's say that I actually want to send this puppy. So I'm going to click create email. So I can add a subject, which I've done here, and I can add a preview text like open for a monthly report to see all the work we've been doing. I can choose my send time. I'm going to send now. Okay, so what I did just there was I imported my contacts. So you can import via a spreadsheet or from a different program. And then I'm ready to send. So I'm going to send my email. It's ushering into the send queue, and I've done this all just directly within the MailChimp app. Okay, so I'm here in my own email, and I've just received this awesome email template from an organization, and I hope that yours looks a lot more aesthetically pleasing than this one, but you get the picture. All right, so that's the first way to make email templates with MailChimp. The second way is to be using MailKing and MailChimp templates. My other video on how to use these platforms will be linked in the description. It's also available on my channel and on my Digital Marketing for Good playlist, so please check it out if you're interested, and thanks for watching.